So you take a spoonful of the puree, at the top of the plate, leave the spoon in the puree and pull down. Okay, now we're going to demonstrate a swoosh. So you take a spoonful of puree, tap it onto the side of the plate, lift the spoon up, put it in the middle of the puree and push across the plate. So we've just demonstrated how to do a swoosh and a teardrop. Why are they important? Well, these skills come really from banqueting. And what it means is it's almost like a guideline. So one chef will put this onto the plate and then everybody else will come along and put the components on, whether it's a steak or it's a vegetable or it's a little bit of sauce. But what happens is that every single dish then is identical. So when you're plating up for 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 200, every single dish looks the same. And that's going to be really important. And it's also something that's important for when you're taking dishes through the aircraft, especially if you've got 5 or 6 people wanting the same thing. It all looks the same.